Hi guys, I'd like to welcome you guys all back to my channel, and today I am here with a Fairyloot. So Fairyloot has kind of been doing really good lately, so other than the fact that I forgot to get scissors, this is turning out to be, this is gonna be I can't believe I forgot scissors. Okay, one sec. Oh, okay. So this is Resilient Royals is the theme of this month. Putting that spoiler card to the side. Oh, okay. I have 4 tarot cards this month, which I assume is from the leftover or from the last week's or last month. So we have 3 of Swords, which again, I have no idea who these characters are. What is this? 4 of Swords. Then we have Ace of Swords. And we have 2 of Swords. So I don't know who those are. Obviously we'll find out like throughout the box. I felt a candle, and it is from In the Nick of Time, the Ash Crown Black Currant Tea. Ooh, I like this one. Black currant. Okay, apparently I like that scent a lot. I might actually light this candle today. We might light a candle today, guys, because I'm in a cleaning mode anyway. So it's from the Ash Crown. So I do like the candle. I like the smell. I think this is a pillowcase. Ooh, it is. So here's a pillowcase, and it says on the back, "Through love, all is possible." Sarah J. Maas. Okay, so I assume that this was a Sarah J. Maas situation. So it looks like a Court of Thorns or something. I don't know. I might give this away. I like the color, though. It kind of fits the whole fall thing that I want to do in the library. So I might not necessarily give it away, but we'll see. Oh, I also want to make a note that I was refunded partially for this box, so I don't know if everything that was supposed to be in the box is in the box. So I guess we'll see at the end, but we have this bad boy. Oh, magnetic bookmarks. It's a sloth, a llama, and a cheetah. I don't really like these. I mean, I don't really like magnetic bookmarks to begin with, but okay, these are from Woven in Moonlight. I don't know what the story is. I'm not a fan of these at all. Ooh, I spoke up Fairyloot too fast, y'all. Okay, let me get you in the bag. Get back in there. The next thing I have is this, which... interesting choice of packaging. Ooh, it's like a little wallet. It's like a little card holder. That's really cute. Yeah, it's the Queen's Rising card holder, produced for Fairyloot, made in China. Good to know. Cool. I like it though. So now we have the print, which for some reason this print is giving me the Cruel Prince vibes. But I'm not really sure. Obviously, we're going to know this at one point. Or maybe this is We Hunt the Flame. Honestly, I don't know. I kind of want to know. But first, let's figure out, like, is there anything left in this box? There is nothing left in this box but the book. So, let's do the book first. It's got black edges. Okay. It's like I don't want to look at anything too spoilery. That's the card. And Shielded by Kaylin Flanders. An ancient evil, a broken kingdom, and one girl with the secret to save the world. Am I the only person who felt very Linkish looking at this? It gave me Link vibes. Love the sprayed edges, obviously. Ooh, I love the green of the cover too, and it's got like a little embossing on it. Okay, so what is this? The kingdom of Hollandai is in trouble. It's losing the war at its borders, and rumors of a new, deadlier threat have surfaced. Princess Janisara knows her skill on the battlefield will make her an asset and wants to help, but her father has other plans. Second-born heir to the throne, Jenna lacks the firstborn's, her older brother's, magical abilities, so the king promises her hand in marriage to the prince of a neighboring Turia in exchange for resources Halandi needs. Jenna has no choice. She must leave behind everything she has ever known if she is to give her people a chance at peace. On the journey to reach her betrothed and her new home, the royal caravan is ambushed, and Jenna realizes the rumors were wrong. The new threat is worse than anyone imagined. Now Jenna must decide if revealing a dangerous secret is worth the cost before it's too late for her and her entire kingdom. Interesting. Okay, we'll see. We'll see. I'm not sure. It didn't grab me, but let's find out what this other stuff is, yeah? So, first things first is this Reluctant Royals little thing. Author interview. The only difference is the standard cover is green, or the standard cover is blue. I do like the black edges, and I like the green book, so we'll take that. Next month's theme is Let the Games Begin. Oh, so this is the July. This box is late. This is the July box. August's theme is Let the Games Begin. And it says, we can expect items from An Ember in the Ashes, Hunting Prince Dracula, Nevernight, Scythe, Aurora Rising, and Harry Potter. This box features a great variety of items. There'll be a book sleeve. Okay, I don't even want to read what the book might be about, so let's figure out what these prints are. Oh, I assume that this is what the characters look like from an artist standpoint. I guess. Let's see. Oh, the thing that we didn't get was the beautiful bookish food tray. This tray is inspired by Winter by Marissa Myers and is perfect for serving food and snacks fit for royals. I'm low-key sad that the one thing that we didn't get was from a Lunar Chronicles thing and a Winter thing. I've been wanting Winter merch. I'm sad. Also, it's weird that the tray was only $5. I only got refunded like $5. Let that sink in, y'all. For what this box just gave me, I was only refunded $5. The royal card holder is inspired by the Queen's Rising. Magnetic bookmarks, which I was not a fan of. The Ash Princess candle. Crescent City cushion cover. The Bear and the Nightingale by Catherine Arden. Oh, okay. This print is from The Bear and the Nightingale. This month's tarot cards are the 3 and 4 swords. They're designed by the talented Catherine Britt and inspired by the Shade of Magic series by V. Schwab. Not gonna lie, not exactly impressed with this box. I feel like I still paid, like, if the tray was only $5, then this box is not adding up in terms of like refund situations. So yeah, I feel a little cheated in this box, y'all. Not even gonna lie. Anyways, did you guys like the box? Let me know down below in the comments section. And until the next time, guys, bye.